so strange. Go on, keep going. It feels like you're going to slip. But it's not slippy at all. Keep going.
This is so weird. I can't believe I'm walking up.
The action feels like you're going to slip and fall, doesn't it? Hey guys! Non-slippy waterfall and Mike is slipping. Just going for it now. She's not waiting. She's just waiting for people.
Okay. Hold it. Whoa. Whoa. Oh,
Wet through now. But we're at the top, we've made it.
Don't go down there, guys.
In some areas it was slippy, even though it was not slippy waterfalls. And we made it!